Question number 2. The given specimen is rose. Gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female reproductive part of a flower, which is composed of one or more carpels. Each carpel consists of an ovary, a style, and a stigma. The ovary contains one or more ovules, which upon fertilization, develop into seeds. Flower. A flower is the reproductive structure of a plant that is responsible for producing seeds. It is typically composed of 4 main parts: the sepals, petals, stamens, and carpels. The sepals are the outermost part of the flower and are usually green in color. They protect the developing flower bud. The petals are the colorful part of the flower that attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies. Corolla. Corolla is the second whorl of a flower, which is typically colorful and consists of petals. Petals are modified leaves that attract pollinators to the flower. Basal placentation. Basal placentation is a type of placentation in which the ovules are attached to the base of the ovary. In this type of placentation, a single ovule is present in the ovary, and the placenta is located at the base of the ovary. Question number 3. The given specimen is side view of pelvic girdle of frog skeleton. Question number 4. A. Paramecium. B. Marchantia thallus. C. Transverse section of collenchymatous tissue. D. Sponge. E. Whale. Important characters of Paramecium. 1. Its appearance is like a sole of a shoe. The whole body is covered with cilia. 2. They have 2 nuclei in their cytoplasm named as macronucleus and micronucleus. Important characters of Marchantia thallus. 1. The plant body is flat, dark green in appearance, having no distinct margins, is termed as thallus. 2. Thallus is dichotomous, branched and multilobed. Each lobe of the thallus has mid-dorsal thickening called midrib. Important characters of collenchymatous. 1. These cells are living, containing chloroplasts. 2. They have angular thickening of cell wall. Secondary wall is absent. Phylum of sponge. Sponges belong to the phylum Porifera. They are multicellular organisms that lack true tissues and organs, and are characterized by the porous bodies and ability to filter water through their bodies to obtain food. Class of whale. Whales belong to the class Mammalia. They are warm-blooded, air-breathing aquatic mammals that are characterized by their streamlined bodies, blowholes, and ability to communicate through vocalizations.